I need to find a good editing software.
Io ci ho stato.
That's my house.
It's called their house, yeah?
This is not just like me. I know. No, but I saw them like
Winning at the party.
That's you and me.
Because I literally only remember him as the very beginning.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
That's not what you think.
I would know also, I mean, that's a little like self-aggrandizing there, but I normally do all the waxing and like the paint jobs for all the cars, so, you know, I gotta work with Tej a little bit on them, but why I'm not working on them right now is, well, you guys caught me on my break, so luckily for you guys just get to chill here with me. Yeah, in the break room. So, yeah, this is, you guys saw the cars out there, right? Oh, hold that thought, Mia's calling. Hey, Mia!
Hey, Pat, I see our party goers have arrived.
Yeah, they just got here.
Hey, everybody, I'm Mia, Dom's sister. Well, another race just wrapped, and it looks like my brother won another car for his collection. Honestly, I don't know why anybody challenges him.
Me either.
Well, we're meeting up at Sullivan's garage for the after party, and while Tej works on your rides, you guys enjoy the break room. My brother calls this the family room. Dom says he doesn't have friends, he has family. And the faces you see on these walls are our family. When I'm in this room, I feel like we're all together again. So, welcome to our family.
Welcome to the family. Oh, hey, Tej is calling. Hey, Tej, you're up on the monitor with Mia.
All right. What's up, Mia?
Hey, Tej, just welcoming these good people to our family. How are their rides coming along?
The rides are ready to roll out and roll out in style.
Yeah.
All right. I'll let Dom know. You guys have fun at the party.
Bye, Mia.
Bye, Mia.
All right, Pat. Let's get these people on their way. Send them over to the war room.
You got it, Tej. Peace out.
Peace.
All right, well, looks like your rides are ready to go. So I'm going to send you guys right on over to the war room. Say hi to Jamie. It's Jamie's first day alone. Treat them like you with family, because that's what you are now. Hey, Jamie.
I'm nervous. Oh, Jamie, how you doing, Jamie? Oh, hey, guys. Where are they coming from? What?
It's the family.
Oh, it's today. Okay. Okay, cool. Thank you, Pat. Hey, guys. Wow, it's a lot of people. Cameras, okay, wow. Hi, I'm Jamie. Welcome to Tej's war room. This is where he does all this cool tech magic and everything. You can look at everything, but don't touch anything. He will kill me. He doesn't like fingerprints, please. But like I said again, you're just, I guess, hanging out. He's gonna get the party buses ready. That's kind of cool. Are you going to a party? Woo, turn up party, yeah. But we're here supervising everything right now. You know, making sure everything looks nice and neat for him, keeping everything cool. Hopefully his doors have been closed because he likes it nice and cold in here to keep everything, you know, working properly and things like that. He's home right now, guys. Hold on real quick. Hey,
Jamie, the buses are here.
Okay, you want me to get these people rolling on their way, or? Oh, hey, look, it's Dom. I can get it for you.
I got this, Jamie.
Okay.
Dom, what up?
Okay.
Tej, just got a heads up from Hobbs. The FBI is about to raid your location.
What? Hold on.
Man, they always ruining our fun.
It gets worse. They're leading Owen Shaw right to your door.
Uh-oh.
Shaw, that cockroach we beat down in Spain?
Yeah.
What's he got to do with this?
Nothing yet.
Okay.
And let's keep it that way.
That's good.
Get those people on those buses. You need to start bugging out right
I
now.
already did.
And get that turbo truck ready. I'm sending Letty there to pick it up.
I'm on it.
Hobbs needs our help. He needs our team. Spread the word. But keep it in our family.
It's just us, guys.
And keep it quiet.
Please. Oh, hey, it's Hobbs.
It's Hobbs.
I can get that?
Hobbs, my man.
Got it, okay.
What up?
Sorry, Brother Tej, no time for chit-chat. I just sent you a brief on FBI agent Novak. Has Toretto filled you in?
Yeah. He wants us to get everybody over to the party at Sullivan's.
Sounds like a plan. That party is a ready-made diversion. Keep it going.
I see that.
We need to discuss how you're going to get all those civilians out of there without tipping off the FBI.
Whoa, wait, that's too many people.
Okay, hold on. Let me get everybody squared away, and we'll talk offline.
Copy that, Tej, and let everybody know. Shut off your cell phones. We don't want Shaw tracking your locations.
Those guys, please.
Okay, Jamie,
Hey,
you heard the man.
Yeah.
It's about to go to a whole nother level.
Okay, boss.
Send everybody to the loading dock.
I can do that. All right, guys, well, your party's got a whole lot more crazier, but it's cool. I got you your family. I'll watch you from here. Please turn your phones off. Owen Shaw will track you. You don't want that. He's a scary guy. Take care, guys. Be safe.
And keep your hands and feet inside the party bus at all times. Don't make me turn this bus around. Also, all partygoers must have their own seat, including young children.